Good morning, everyone. My name is Kim. Thank you for coming to visit my channel, Creating My Forever Home. I wasn't able to sleep last night, and I slept less than 2 hours, and a noise outside woke me up, and I stayed awake for it's been about an hour or so now, and I was getting up to get my bottle of water to replenish for the day, and I dropped it here. The lid wasn't secure, and there must have been about an inch worth at the bottom, and it was red like Hawaiian Punch or Kool-Aid on this beige rug. So I scrambled to get my steam cleaner, which is a wonderful machine. I don't think you can see the red hue in the water. It's kind of pink there, but it got it up, boy. I mean, it was quick. I acted pretty fast, but the sad part is I haven't used it in a while and couldn't remember where the button was to turn it on. I kept trying this button, but it was this. It's actually this button all the way down here. So as I would hit this button and it didn't work, I kept thinking, what's wrong with all the plugs? So I ended up having to dig under this table where our router is and plug it in there. Gosh, what a morning it's been. So I went ahead and did the problem area, which is the entrance. And it looks horrible now because it's wet. It's never that dark. It's because now it's wet. It had the shampoo and the water go through it. So, also my son was still sleeping, and I didn't want to be doing it too long, so the worst part is now is the whole rug is wet. So I have to be careful. I'm going to walk on this and get on the bed from here, but I just wanted to show you what happened. Hopefully the rest of the day will go a little better. Well, now that that woke me up, I think I'm going to have a little bit of breakfast. I'm making some of this. I love this stuff. I got 4 pieces, and I'm heating up some of these little sausages. I think this is going to be good enough for now. There are things in it that I need to take out, and I'm still not sure if it's going to move by me, just me. Any of the toiletry type stuff, anything that's not going in the washing machine. This can't go, that'll shrink. Okay. I found some of my favorite pajamas that I did not get rid of. These are shorts. This Marie set, this Ariel set, this Hello Kitty set. It's what do you call it? I forgot. It's not chenille, but it's soft like that. This is shorts. This Minnie Mouse is long, but I think I cut the bottoms off. And these cute. This one has cat hair on it because my cat Hercule used to cuddle with them. I don't have a whole lot here. I gave away so much of my stuff. I'm not going to keep putting the camera in that dark corner. But this I recently bought. Might have seen it in another video. And I still have the box, but I guess it's time to throw that box away. Yeah. So that's what this is. Cinderella Castle and Mickey Mouse. I have other pops, but these are my favorite. Here Maria's flocked. She has a flocked texture. And my Moana. I love Moana. I love that movie so much. And her character. And here's baby Moana. They came together. I don't like to have lanyards around my neck. After a while I get tension in my neck. This I got at Walmart in Orlando. But it's still good if I needed a spare. But this one I bought in Epcot. And it's the cat version. So I think I'll just put it in here for now. I can't imagine I'll need it for anything else. This is the Epcot 35th anniversary. Put my pass in. And this is my son's gift card. So that would have been 2018. This pin, funny enough, my husband bought a car through eBay. When we drove from Columbus to Akron to go get it. It was very inexpensive. $500 car was worth way more. But the man was getting rid of it. His son had crashed, lightly crashed it. And it just needed to change something. A fender, I think. And this was on one of the visors. He left it. So I got it. And I think it's so cute. I've never seen it before. And then this. I think I got that at Hot Topic. This broke. So I'm getting rid of that. This banner I got at Character Warehouse also. Still has the candy in it. But I think it's cute. This is the last Disney item that I can see for now. But this is, my son bought ice cream at the Plaza Ice Cream Parlor next to the Plaza restaurant in Magic Kingdom. And he got this. I think he got this when we were at Not So Scary. I'm not sure. But I know he loves it. And there's a mini one now. I wanted to get it, but we never did. But that goes in there. So I don't think my Orange Bird items will fit in there. But I might try. Let's see what I do. Before I start putting anything away, I just want to give you a glimpse of what I have in here. The pop, that cup, antenna, the sipper, the newer mug, the newer bank. That's an old Magic Band that I bought the sticker on Etsy, and also the ribbons. This, I don't remember where I got this from. Pretty sure I got this guy on eBay. This is more recent. This is the shoulder pal. This was from the Not So Scary. And this is from eBay. These are from the parks. Don't remember where I got that, but I remember having one of those when I was a little girl back in the 70s. And so I had to have it. So I might have bought this off of eBay. This is recent. That's the recent sipper. And this cup I also bought last year. This one and this one I bought last year. I didn't buy those now. The wallet I bought probably 2018. That bowl, I bought that from DisneyStore.com a good few years ago. This one I got a couple of years ago. And I got her this past year, in 2021, when I renewed my pass. These are from Wonderland Gallery. And Moana. I'll put this over here. And this was this year's gift card. Yeah, I lost it. My son found it in the garage. We were on the way to Disney and I lost it. And there's money on that thing. And then here's that medallion again. So I'm not going to bore you with showing you me putting these things in there, but this is what I have. Also this book that I got on Amazon. All of this stuff I bought about a month and a half ago, and I did film a haul on this, so I can link that below. I'll link that video below. I didn't mention that this is a Loungefly. There was a backpack, but it was just too bright for me. I really didn't like it very much. But I did get the wallet, and then when these came out, I got the smaller one and the bigger one. And I bought these at the Character Warehouse. And this also. This is also, oh goodness, this is also a park bag that I use occasionally. I used it the last couple of times. And this was from 2018 from Flower & Garden. The date's not on there, but I know for a fact it was from 2018. So again, I got this off of Instagram, someone that I buy from on Instagram. And this one, and honestly, what I do is I have my passes hooked over here, so that's my SeaWorld and Busch Gardens and Aquatica and Adventure Island, and then my Disney one for all 4 parks, and my photo pass is in there. But oh no, that's an old card. The photo pass is on my card. Where SeaWorld, they have a photo key and you need a separate card for that. This is the replacement to the one that I thought I lost. I don't think there's any money on there. And instead of a magic band, this is what I use. I hook this on to one of my Pandora bracelets, and I walk around the park with this on my wrist. So I'd lost my sunglasses for over 2 weeks, and guess what? They were under this the whole time. I looked in here so many times, but it wasn't in there, it was under there. Of course. I'm going to take these to the living room. What year is this? 2006. Okay. This is 2018. And that was 2018. So all of these 5x7s I'm going to put in a book. A binder, I think it's A4 size, I believe. And I have the sleeves, I have everything. I just need to sit down and do it. And this is all junk. But this is pretty packed. I figured everything might have fit. I wasn't sure with that one item in there. That's the bowl, the orange bird bowl. That's ceramic. I'm leaving it in the wrapping. And so that's it for this. I'm going to slide this back under my bed. Well, everything made it in there safely. Thank goodness. That is something that will go with me in my car. I'm not even exaggerating. That will not be going to any storage facility. This bag I put together earlier. These are my hats and ears. I have 2 orange bird ears and a few different Disney ears. I have 2 ball caps, this one and, sorry, that one. And my 2 popcorn buckets are in there. The pink ears and the Star Wars one. So, I'm not putting this in storage either. But my most recent purchase, which again was in that video, is my pass holder ears. I love them. So they'll stay on top because I've only worn them once so far. This will go in my closet. These two aren't going anywhere. These are staying out on my dresser when I get it in here. It has been thundering for at least 2 hours, and it's only just started raining. We just got a weather advisory. I'm hoping the house cools off a bit more. So I'm going to end the video here. Oops, that just was over there. Lightning. I'm going to end the video here. I want to thank you for watching my video and visiting my channel. I really appreciate it. You guys take care of yourselves, and I'll see you tomorrow.